The number one thing that we look for in a market is recession resistance. And it is my own analysis that I've come up with an algorithm on which to base the market's metrics on. So it's a combination of looking at unemployment trends and
Ashley, I thought you were just another pretty face. I really did. I did. Yeah.
So that to me is a make or break. If a market doesn't pass the sniff test, and I have different ratings in which a market will fall, because every market yields a score. And just like that, every market, by the way, just because a market might not meet my specific criteria for unemployment rates, or recession resistance, based off of unemployment trends, does not mean it's not a good market. It just means that in terms of our business operations, they do best suited in markets that fit specific criteria. So
and let me ask you, when you with this type of analysis, you must share this information with your potential investors. They must love hearing this type of analysis. This is a great sales technique for you to raise private money.
Correct. And I've done that on the property with another group of Charles graduates. I think there's 4 or 5 of us in that deal too. Exactly.
Polishing my fingernails. Yes.
Amarillo, Texas is one of the most recession resistant cities in the entire country. In fact, it performed top 5 in the last recession, and it is crushing it right now. It is, we are raising rents, and you wouldn't believe like the flip side to other markets we're in. But ultimately, recession resterm is our number one criteria. And then we have the same metrics that everyone else has.
You trademark that term, like recession resistant investing, for multifamily. That's so cool. You should, some knucklehead wrote a book on emerging markets and it didn't get into this type of detail, but I can imagine your analysis, that'd be so cool. And let me guess, you're not going to share with us some of your algorithm, are you?
I won't share, but it all has to do with, a huge component of it is looking at unemployment trends.
That's wild. So very, very cool. Yeah. Okay. Now you get my mind spinning. Like I got to figure that part out. That's very, very cool. Awesome.